Good afternoon. It's freezing outside. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. Third regular puzzle, a jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Saiwa block. In Japanese, Suguru. In today's newspaper on Tuesday, January the 9th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. It's time for the tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Well, by the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, but let me continue with this one. Jigsaw Sudoku number 7766. 7766. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits, should be an easy one, because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16, so I don't think it's a 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. I think it's a 1 star or 2 stars puzzle. For 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. For 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. Is this a 1 star, 2 stars, or a 3 stars puzzle? Well, that's the question. I do not know. We will see. So let's get started. Already 1 minute and 40 minutes. 1 minute and 40 seconds already passed. First question to you. Let's get started. First question to you. Can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here's a single box, there's a single box, and here a single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here only one dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also the 1 and the 2. Dual boxes. How about triple boxes? Do we have here triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes here. Then the question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here only one quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and a 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1 or a 2 because we have a double 1 there and a double 2 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. Same for there. Same for the 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair should be the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. Okay. More quadra boxes? No. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the first shape is this one. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? No. Only a 1 of them. And that's all the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 2 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then, the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape should be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. Okay. Then these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left on the 2 in this W area shape should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. These two boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left with a 3 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area from us 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left with a 3 in this area. Should be there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area from us 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 4. And it's also connected with that box, should be also a 4. Alright. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2. And I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Then these 2 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. Alright. This box, wait. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Wait. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Wait. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround a 5 can be a 5. These 3 boxes surround a 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Okay. 3 goes there. Almost finished. 1 box left in this. No. This box can be should be a 1. Can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. Well, this box can be a 2. This box can be 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this area for number 3. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be 1 and more. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there. Or the 1 should be there. Let me think. Let me blow my nose first. Almost finished. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area from us 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 5. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I need a 4 here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 5 there. That means that this box can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 2. And that box should be a 5. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area from those 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Let me think. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, and this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, I think this box should be a 4. Because it's can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Okay, these two boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. And I've eliminated there the 3. The 3 should be there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. I've marked those two boxes with 1. We have 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be 1, and I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 2, because green 1 should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, and the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. In 11 minutes. Well, told you. Can I be a 3 stars? Can I be a 2 stars? Let me give this a 1 star, maybe a 0 stars, because I'm also faster than 14 minutes. But we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.